In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. First of all, go into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, like that. Then look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned white with a blue icon. That means that location is on, but you can switch it off by clicking on the same shortcut until it's gray with a white icon. Quick tip, you can also go into settings, scroll to click on location section available here, and manage it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!